With a smile, you can show the world you care. With a smile, you'll inspire the world to share. If you show the world a smiling face, it will come back to you.
One of my injuries was whenever I got blown off the top tank, I had my right shoulder damaged. The ligaments, tendons, nerves, everything on the front of my arm was ripped, and they had to surgically reattach my shoulder. He will catch me whenever I go to fall. And by that I mean he will brace himself and allow me to fall towards him so I don't fall flat on the ground.
She's the best co-worker you can ask for. She's right there with me. She's my protector. She makes sure that I know when somebody's at the door. I think service dogs are wonderful in so many ways. And I think I'm just so thankful to have her.
With a smile, you will rise above them all. Oh, the world would be a better place if we all could show happy.
You start by taking them out of their kennel and putting their vests on and their collars on, and then you just go through the routine with them. You work with them turning on light switches and turning off light switches, opening drawers and closing them, just putting things on the ground for them to pick up and to hand to you.
With a smile, your biggest problem seems so small. With a smile, you will rise above them all. Oh, the world would be a better place if we all could show a happy face.
I was in and out of VA mental institutions for about 3 years and heavily medicated, and I was basically locking myself in my home. I wasn't coming out. That was my bunker, my safety net. And Paws with Liberty brought me out of that. I'm actually come down here to, it gets me out of the house, and it's comforting. And again, they actually saved my life, because I had tried once before, twice suicide, and it's been tough. It really has been tough. But I have a new life now, thanks to Paws with Liberty.
You can do all these things with a smile.